Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel Talent Traders. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about my new stock option scanner, which helping you find out overall option market by using a tool. What is happening, whether price increased, volume, and it is purely fetching a ATM option. And here we are using some logic by use this particular code by taking a open price. So why we are taking the open price? Mainly gap up and gap down. So instead of taking a previous day's close, so we will be following a day's open. From that, whether it is going to continue or it is going to reverse. So for an next example case, so day before yesterday. So the market is opened here from comparing to the previous close, the Nifty around 25,082, but the next day it opened by 26,200. Okay, so if I'm just focusing this particular closing based strike, next day opening itself, it is a huge gap up. So what the logic which I used to find a open as a strike, so maybe after this open, whether it is going to move higher or it going to move lower. So this as a strike price, after increase, they may be decrease or it may be continue by the gap up, and gap down one may recover back. So instead of that, if I'm taking out from this strike price, it may be huge gap up and this put premium may be very low. So even though market down, so this cannot be recovered back because of deep OTM, and this would be very quick drop in the price because this ATM options a deep ITM immediately down means it will be reducing. But if I'm taking out this strike price, it would be adjust according to the market open. Maybe put may be higher price, call may be lower price, but this open price it will be adjusting to the equal price. That is what the logic. And also the new update which we have made it on the intraday sheet. So as per the request which we are received from the persons who are using. Okay, so previous one which we are following that stock options, what we are using this particular scanner. So this is what our previous version, what we are following with this particular data, and the table which is showing you the calls as well as puts both. Okay, so what we have to do here, it will be, for example, every time so B2B sort what is happening. But if I'm starting in the call side, I could not able to see the what is happening in the put side. Okay, so if I'm starting by call, okay, so whatever the change percentage, the put side would be the loser only will be there, or what is happening in the put side we may not be able to find out. So as per the request, so instead of that, here also the name of the stock would be very big, and it is asking the strike price, it occupies the table. And also if for an example, this is what one stock FSN, so but the trading symbol may vary. So this is the name of the stock and the trading symbol may vary on a particular stock. So what we just followed is we are going to update here trading symbol. So trading symbol means for example Canara Bank, it should be a Can Bank. Okay, so like that is a STFC AMC Limited, it's called an STFC AMC. Indian Oil Corporation is IOC, something like that is a trading symbol. This is a stock name. So we use a trading symbol with the strike price. So for an example, if IOC is there, means IOC IOC is about 174 call. So whatever the strike price which you are filtering is an ATM strike price based on the current month only. Okay, so that is not mentioned. If you have mentioned as, then the length of the particular name would be call 24th February 26, like this. This is what a full trading symbol, but we are mentioning this is the current month always we are using. So this is what a new symbol, and this both the sides we are going to update. So how this new version will looking like this, this is what the new version which we are trying. So for an example here, Nika, that is what a trading symbol, but here it is about a FSN e-commerce ventures. but that real trading symbol of this is Nika 255. So both are same only, 256, 255, 13.74. So 256, 13.74. Here I just use the open, but strike price which we are mentioning here. So here strike price is a different, the one column like FSN 256, 255 call option. But here we merged this two, first and last. That means the stock name under the ATM strike which we are mentioning is simply the Nika 255 call option. Okay. So this will help you to easily to find out the exact strike price. And now what we have updated, both the tables are now separate. So you can easily find it out what are the calls performer as well as put performer without sorting it. It will be automatic sorting, and it is going to tell you which is happening here or what is happening on a call side overall and what is happening put side overall. So this will be very easy to find out some what is happening overall in this thing. So by morning I'm just checking with this particular thing. HAL I was finding out, and one more stock, this three I'm tracking, HAL and InZing is the top one in the first because of the after a gap of opening, but it could not able to break even first 5 minutes high. It should not be right one. And MCX I seen that is a gap up and having good volume. It is giving you the breakout around 92 and it went up to almost 118. Okay, and the second one, first one is about HAL. The first thing, it is moving higher and it was giving you some good and fast. Okay, this is what a logic. So instead of that, we are manually filtering out with this what is happening here. At the same time, we need to check what is happening in a call. So every column has a sorting facility, but here it is default sort by the change percentage and the change percentage in the put side as well as call side. So overall a list we can easily finding out what is happening in the real market. So whether if market is down, so we will be see there is an increase in the put side. When the market is high, so we can able to see there is a lot of calls will increase in the call side. Along with that, we need to confirm how much volume is happening. Okay, in the right side by the opening itself, how much opening volume is happened, and with the increase in percentage, maybe some clue. Then you can track that particular strike price for your trading style or your strategy. But the logic is for using this particular scanner is to find what is happening overall option market after the market. Okay, so this is what the new changes, and also we reduce the column names. The symbol is about a trading symbol. Open, it's nothing about the future open price, and LTP of that particular strike price, that is Jubilant for 525 call option. Here we are not mentioning the strike price, that's sorry expiry date. It is normally a current month expiry, that means February 2026. The expiry date is 24, I think. So this is what we need to understand from this. And then LTP, change percentage, volume, and the contract. So total contract were traded, CTR. Okay, and volume we mentioned as vol, and change percentage, and LTP, and open. So here this is the put side table, and this is what a call side table. So which you are marking as in green, and this would be light red. So it will be easily understandable, and maybe even it will be a better to track overall what is happening. And one more stock also I was just looking at, I think in the zinc, and 600 put. So you need to confirm that in zinc what is happening here, whether it is right or wrong. So February, and what should be the open price of this today, or you can just go with the daily and you will be easily understand what should be the opening price, 599.4, and what should be the open price in the zinc, 599.4. that is a future open price. And this is what a LTP of that particular strike price of 600 zinc, 600 put option right side. So closing is 21.75, that is also exactly showing 21.75 and 74. And also you can track the volume. So we add the volume, so what should be the total volume? 12,526 million, 12,526. Here also be 12,526. That is what the volume which we are getting, and number of contract which is traded. Okay, so almost 74%, which increased from previous close. If you are checking that, it is almost 74% comparing to the previous close. But if I'm just checking with the first 5 minutes, that was started with the big gap up, and say after that it could not able to break the first 5 minutes side. So easiest way to filter out overall the scanner, which helping you to find some option logics to get intraday stocks only. Okay, stock options, you may use any of your strategies here, but this tool help you to find some options which is happening with a good volume and the increase in the change percentage or increase in the prices with the number of contracts. So everything you can track at the same place. So thank you so much. That is what the new update. And anyone who are looking about the scanner, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. And any other questions or a doubt also, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. We'll make some videos on our next videos. We will discuss about your comments and question. And that is what the new update on our intraday sheet. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.